Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Honda Civic sun visor. First, gather your tools: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and your new sun visor assembly. Make sure your car's interior lights are off to avoid any electrical issues. This simple repair can significantly improve your driving comfort and safety. Let's get started with the removal process right away. Now, let's remove the old visor. Carefully use a flathead screwdriver to pry off the small plastic cover near the visor's base. Underneath, you'll find two Phillips head screws. Unscrew these completely. Gently pull the visor down and disconnect the electrical connector for the vanity light. Be careful not to damage the wiring or the headliner during this step. With the old visor removed, installing the new one is straightforward. First, connect the electrical connector from your new visor to the car's wiring harness. Then, align the new visor's base with the screw holes in the headliner. Insert and tighten the two Phillips head screws firmly. Finally, snap the plastic cover back into place, ensuring it's secure and flush. Before you finish, perform a few final checks. Move the new sun visor through its full range of motion to ensure it operates smoothly. Also, test the vanity light to confirm it illuminates correctly. Make sure the visor stays firmly in any position you set it to. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, see the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.